Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing wonderful today. I'm the Portfolio Panda. You might have heard of a magical computer that all the stock traders use to get secret tips. Well, I'm going to talk a little bit about what is a Bloomberg terminal. What is a Bloomberg terminal? Let's begin by understanding what a Bloomberg terminal is. A Bloomberg terminal is a specialized computer system that provides real-time financial data, news, and analytics to professionals in the finance industry. It's like a powerful tool that helps investors, traders, analysts, and other financial professionals make informed decisions. The Bloomberg terminal is a comprehensive platform that offers a wide range of features and functionalities, making it a valuable resource for anyone involved in financial markets. Features and functions. Now, let's explore some key features and functions of a Bloomberg terminal. Real-time market data. The Bloomberg terminal provides up-to-the-minute data on stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, and other financial instruments. It allows users to monitor price quotes, volume, and other market statistics in real time. Traders can access real-time stock prices, track market trends, and analyze trading volumes to make timely investment decisions. News and analysis. Users have access to news articles, economic indicators, and financial research from various sources. Bloomberg's news service covers a wide range of topics, including market updates, company announcements, and economic developments. Analysts can read the latest news on a company's earnings report, economic data releases, or geopolitical events, helping them understand the impact on the financial markets. Financial tools and analytics. The Bloomberg terminal offers a suite of analytical tools and charts to analyze data and perform complex financial calculations. Users can create charts, graphs, and models to analyze market trends, conduct valuation analysis, and assess risk. Investment bankers can use the terminal's financial modeling tools to evaluate the financial health of a company, project future cash flows, and assess the feasibility of a merger or acquisition. Communication and collaboration. The terminal provides a secure messaging system that allows professionals to communicate and share information with colleagues, clients, and other market participants. Users can also join chat rooms, communities, and forums to exchange ideas and insights. Traders can communicate with their counterparts, share market insights, and execute trades through the Bloomberg messaging system, facilitating efficient and secure communication. Users of Bloomberg terminal. Let's discuss who uses the Bloomberg terminal. The Bloomberg terminal is primarily used by professionals in the finance industry, including investment bankers, portfolio managers, traders, analysts, economists, and researchers. It is widely used in financial institutions such as banks, hedge funds, asset management firms, and brokerage firms. A portfolio manager may rely on the Bloomberg terminal to monitor their investment portfolio, access research reports, and execute trades based on real-time market data. Benefits of Bloomberg terminal. Now, let's explore some of the benefits of using a Bloomberg terminal. Some key benefits include comprehensive information. The terminal provides access to a vast amount of financial data, news, and research in one centralized platform, enabling users to stay informed and make data-driven decisions. Real-time updates. Users receive real-time market data and news updates, allowing them to react quickly to market changes and stay ahead of the curve. Analytical capabilities. The terminal's advanced tools and analytics help users analyze data, perform complex calculations, and generate insights to support investment strategies and decision-making. Networking opportunities. The terminal's messaging system and collaborative features allow professionals to connect, share ideas, and build relationships within the financial community. As usual, let me know any questions in the comments below and make sure to share this with your least financially savvy friend, then tell me if I did okay in explaining the topic. Your most valuable asset is your time. Thank you for sharing yours with me. Until next time.